Hello, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all doing well. Today I will show you how to decorate glass bottle using clay. This is the bottle. I'm gonna use it today. You can use any kind of round shape glass bottle. First, I need this Fevicryl molded. You can easily get it in the market. The cost of the packet is 25. Today I need 2 packet of this. You will get 2 small package inside. Okay, then first I will cut 2 equal quantity from both of these. Then I need to mix it really well. So let's get started. Okay, I am done with my mixing. Now I will make twigs for my design. After making the twigs, I will directly stick in the bottle. And one more thing, you need to be really quick while using the clay because it dries up so quickly, and after it dries you can't use it anymore. It will be too hard like cement. So remember that. Now I will show you how to make roses, and believe me, it's the easiest way to make roses using the clay. And after making all the roses, now it's time to make some leaves for our roses. Okay, then I will stick on the bottle. For sticking, you do not need any kind of glue because our clay is naturally sticky while you are making, but if it dries up, then you need glue like Fevicol or Fevikwik, whatever you prefer. Okay, now after sticking all the stuff, now it's time to paint. Here I am using fabric colors, but it will be good if you use acrylic colors on bottle art. And to paint this, I will use 3 paint brushes. Number 4, number 2 and 0 for shading the roses. So now I will start to paint. Firstly, I will color the twigs. For twigs, I will use deep green. Light green for the leaves. For flowers, I will use pink. Here I am mixing red and white to get the pink color. You can do the same as me or can buy directly from the market. And for shading the roses, I will add more red in our pink color and make the color deep pink. If you shade your roses, it will look more perfect, like all the petals you can see clearly. Okay, now it's finally done. Okay, now see the final result. Tell me in the comment section if you like it, then please like and share and subscribe my channel to see more amazing ideas. Last but not the least, let me show you how it will look after putting some lights. So enjoy it.